Hi guys, it's Mr. Gary and welcome back to my channel. I want to know what you like to do in your free time. In this video we're going to look at some activities that you perhaps like to do and learn about requests or asking for information about what you or other people like to do during their free time. So without further ado, let's get started. Perhaps you like to go to the mall. Perhaps you like to see the cherry blossom. Or maybe even see the Chinese New Year statues. Or how about grabbing a bargain and getting some nice new clothes in the shopping mall? What about a new dress and grabbing a bargain? 199,000 rupiah. Or perhaps you like to join in dancing or even watch dancing and dance troupes. This was all happening last week and the dance teams were very, very talented. So talented, and what an amazing performance. They are so amazing, I decided to put them into this video for you all to watch. After all that excitement and watching those great dance performances, perhaps it's time to do coffee or go for a drink with your friend. Where shall we go? How about that? Perhaps you'd like to do some jet skiing. At Baywalk Mall, if you go out the back to the seafront, you can do some jet skiing. Go there and book yourself a session on the jet ski and have some fun in the Bay Area. Right, so the verb to do has two different meanings. When used as a main verb, It means to perform or execute an action or to prepare something. When used as an auxiliary, that means helping verb, it doesn't have a meaning, but it helps make questions and negative sentences. Let's have a look at how that works. So, the pronoun I, you, we, they is accompanied by do. Negative is don't. When we use he, she, or it, we use does. For negative statements, we use doesn't. Let's look at some examples of how that works. Question number 1. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't like coffee. What do you like? I like to play games. Or, I don't like to play games. Do you like rice? Yes, I do like rice. No, I don't like rice. Does he like sport? Yes, he does like sport. Or, no, he doesn't like sport. Does she like fruit? Yes, she does. Or, no, she doesn't. Do they like shopping? Yes, they do. Or, no, they don't. Do you like to travel? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Notice with the last 3 examples we've taken the noun phrase off, so the name of the activity. We'll look at noun phrases in another video. All you need to do is click on the suggested button at the end. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the verb do. Please do like and comment and visit my website at www.mrgary.com for free practice quiz, blog offers, and more information about learning English. Perhaps you want to learn or know some more about English, whether it be pronunciation or numbers or anything else. There are videos going up every week. All you need to do is tap just here or just here. And if you would subscribe to my channel, I would be very grateful for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.